goats are troublemakers. They never listen to the shepherd, never recognize his voice, never follow him. So hard to control over them. On the other hand, sheep are very obedient. They can recognize the voice of the shepherd and follow him. That's why in the book of John, Jesus said, I am the good shepherd. I know my sheep know me. They hear my voice and they follow after me. He said nothing about goats, right? Yeah. You know, goats have hair and sheep have wool. We don't need the hair. We might need it once in 2 or 3 years to make tents and carpets, but wool we need it every year. That's why when the season of shearing wool comes, the shepherd needs to separate sheep to one side and goats to other side. Then he shears only the sheep because he needs the wool. This separation is also mentioned in the book of Matthew. Jesus says, at the end of the days, when the Son of Man will come back with all of his glory, he's going to separate the righteous from the non-righteous, like the shepherd separates his sheep from his goats. The sheep are the righteous side, the goats are the non-righteous side. Are you on the righteous side? On the sheep side? Who's on the sheep side? Amen.
Amen. Glory.